Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya Universes. Today we take up the chapter number 5 in the basic pool. This is Know Your Programming Paradigms. In this chapter, the concept number 1, 5.1 is Programming Paradigms Introduction. Already many times I explained to you programming. Programming means transforming our computational problem into a set of computer language instructions or simply computer instructions. Transforming our computational problem into a set of computer programming language instructions. A set of programming language instructions is simply known as a program. We feed our programs to a computer to draw the results from it. That we know. Now we are focusing on programming paradigms. Actually, in software development process, the developers face several complexities and challenges. In order to face or address such challenges and all that, an efficient paradigm is required. What is a paradigm? A paradigm is nothing but a methodology to build a complex structure. A paradigm is a methodology to build a complex structure. Actually, whenever a, a challenge or complexity arises, a programming paradigm addresses that challenge or complexity. Actually, for that purpose, from time to time, several programming paradigms are evolved. Actually, why these complexities arise? The basic reason you must understand. Actually, our dependency, our expectations on computers or software is enormously increased from time to time. Our expectations are very high for everything. Our community is depending on software. That's why the arising complexities is a obvious thing. Then obviously an advanced paradigm is required. Whenever a paradigm is developed, a new paradigm, a programming paradigm is developed, it addresses the current problems. Obviously, some more expectations are increased. Then what happens? New challenges are created. Then, for facing the new challenges, new paradigm is developed. That is the process. It is a continuous process. As long as our expectations are growing and growing, then new paradigms will come into the picture. That you have to understand. So, by understanding all these paradigms one by one from the beginning, you can understand, you can read the mind of the developers of these paradigms. It helps you a lot. Instead of studying the current one, if you understand the entire history and the evolution of all these paradigms, it helps you a lot to understand how programming is being developed, how programming is evolved, and how programming paradigms are addressing the new challenges. That is very important for you and all that to become a proficient programmer. And in future, if you have this knowledge, in future you may develop your new paradigms or new systems. That you have to understand. So now in this chapter, mainly we focus on 4 paradigms. I briefly introduce these paradigms in the forthcoming concepts. The first one is monolithic programming paradigm. Monolithic means one block, and thereafter procedural programming paradigm, and the third one is structured programming paradigm, and finally object oriented programming paradigm. So these 4 programming paradigms you must have the knowledge and you must understand the advancement of every advanced features and functionalities of every paradigm over the previous one. By that, you can understand the evaluation logically. That what I am expecting from you. You should not become a routine programmer and all that, writing some code, developing a program and all that. You must know the brain, the thinking process of all these developers of the programming paradigms.